Someone's car alarm is going off. This is Pippi coming. She's the least alarmed of everybody by the car alarm. You gonna come out? Yeah, drop it. Uh-oh. We got a car alarm reaction going on. There's Pippi right there. Okay, I'm gonna head up front because that's what they want me to do. Makes them feel like I'm handling it. I think it's handled. There's a lot there. Cars are coming. Cars are coming. The horn was honking. It's just pandemonium as far as the squirrels are concerned. It's holiday cars. Bird just flew off. Nobody's happy about this.